that's in high now. Okay. She definitely rides like a 60s fire truck. Okay. Oh, that's the emergency brake?
Yep. So
Gotcha.
the e-brake does work.
Okay.
Actual brakes.
Yeah, got good pressure on the brakes. Put it this way. Still clear. It only has 9,000 miles on it.
9,260.
We had a 38 ambulance, a Buick from I think it was like Rio. My dad had traded his 58 Chevy to his friend because he had absolutely had to have the 58 Chevy. So we ended up with this ambulance with like 19,000 miles on it. Had the huge straight 8 in it. Thing was pretty interesting.